with Rubik's Cubes. So the rules of ping pong bowling are:
you set it up so that there are Rubik's Cubes here, here, and all over the side of the table. What you do next is you grab a deck of cards or poker cards that have numbers like these do, like number 10 here. And then you place them inside the slits inside of the Rubik's Cubes. Like this one, if this has 2, this has 58. And if it's like that one over there, it has 101 because there's a 10 and then a 1 after that. And you start over there, but if you bowl the ping pong and then after at the end it falls over, then you get 0 points. So this is how we play ping pong bowling. You walk over to the side and then you bowl a ping pong. If you hit a cube, and it shows the number of points on the card. If you hit more than 1, then you count both of those points together. If you hit any amount of cubes and you add them all together, in the end, if it falls off, then you get no points.
if any body part, your clothes, your pants, your hands, or any of your body parts touches the table, you automatically lose. And while you're doing this, if your ball drops from the table, you automatically lose.
Each person gets 3 balls. Whoever has the highest amount of points in the end wins.
Jack is going first. Yay!
For my first ball, I got 89 points.
Yay! Yay!
The second ball, I also got 89 points.
Yay!
On the third ball, I got 44 points.
Yay!
So on my first ball, I got 89 points. On my second ball, I also got 89 points. On my third ball, I got 44 points. So in total, I got 222 points.
Yay!
Now Kate is going next.
Woohoo! Woohoo!
Kate got 2 points on her first ball. Kate got 50
Zero.
Zero on her second ball.
It fell.
Wait.
Huh?
On her third ball, Kate got 160 points.
Yay!
In total, she got about, I think, 204.
162.
No, you got all together. You got 2, and then you got a 42.
No, but that fell.
Yeah, so in total, she got 162.
Yay!
The last person playing is our dad.
Yay!
In total, on his first one, he got 136.
Yay!
On the second one, he got 167.
Yay! The third round, he got 2. In total, he got...
If you like this video, please subscribe and comment down below. Bye.
No, tomorrow we're going to teach you some math.
That's the real bye.
Bye.